think my big takeaway today, one of the things I really appreciated was the concepts, or the concepts of gratitude and engagement. But I love the way that he connected it back to different areas of the college, and came back to the common theme of how do we go about the business of life change, helping students be the best versions of themselves. So that was really the most helpful thing I found today.
My biggest takeaway today was it made me feel good about my philosophy of buying in. I always lead by asking help from my divisions and try to get that buy-in, because you know what? They'll make it work if they get that buy-in. And also, I love his 3 E's about equipping and encouraging and enlarging, and I plan to use that with my chairs.
Well, yes, I enjoyed the presentation today. It was phenomenal. We talked about so many things that we can definitely use here at Mississippi Delta Community College with our faculty and staff, as well as our students. Just talked about the importance of being equipped and just encouraging and then enlarging territory. So just being a coach, just talked about winning. How do you win? Well, you get your people to buy into what you're doing. That's one of the best ways to win. And he talked about creating an environment where everybody participates and becomes a team player. And that way your whole institution will benefit, not just your particular program. So I really enjoyed it.